play it to remember it. So we've got, so it's finger, finger, pluck, pinky. Again, if you need to work on that, you could do like a... after that. Right, I could play that note. So, same thing here. So you got, so that's going to help if you can fill the space up with pick, B string pick. So you got, that's kind of a nice thing to do. I've heard live too, is a slide down there. I'm just kind of hearing it as I go. Okay, the sound comes and the notes just go in the right place. So it might be a little different on the recording or different versions, but I'm sure that this is kind of like the same way someone like Trey would approach playing his own music, as he's just hearing it and it might be a different variation on a different night. So. The last one is, so it's, that's a good loop. What I've just broken down is and you could do a G, C, G would be an approximation if you're just beginning, but here's your G chord. I would actually use these fingers instead of these fingers, and what that's going to do is, now once you have this G with this fingering specifically, it frees up these two fingers, and now you can do kind of like a Rolling Stones kind of thing, like a piano kind of thing on the guitar. So we're going like that, and you can go. That's kind of like your period on the end of the phrase. So, you know, you've got. Right, so then you do that a bunch of times. Asking me for bills, but yeah, that'll give you a good idea. I mean, you know, I'm just kind of winging it, kind of throwing it down, some information here. I'm going to try and do more videos this year. I have a bunch of videos like this I've recorded for students in the past, but I never really posted them, so I'm going to start kind of trying to reach more people with the musical knowledge. And if you are interested in music lessons, go to the Music Factory website www.musicfactorynw.com. Sign up for teacher, any lessons, I mean, any instrument, all levels, kids, advanced, whatever, and yeah, check out whatever links are listed below, and if there's any songs you want me to break down, or if you have any questions about the guitar, I'm happy to answer any comments I see. All right, cheers, have a great day everybody, thanks, bye.